Mastering Daily English. How's your morning? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings and uses of everyday phrases. Today, we're going to explore a very common greeting. How's your morning? Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your conversational skills but also help you connect more personally with English speakers. So, let's get started and unpack the layers behind this simple yet profound question. How's your morning? Is a friendly and informal way of asking someone about their morning, specifically how it has been up to the moment of asking. It's a variation of the more general greeting, how are you, but focuses solely on the morning part of the day. This question is often used in casual settings, among friends, family, or coworkers, to show interest in the other person's day and well-being. This phrase is most appropriate to use during the morning hours, typically before noon. It's a great way to start a conversation. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time that day, catching up with a friend or colleague, or wanting to show that you care about someone's day. It's less common in formal settings but can be a wonderful icebreaker in casual business environments or networking events held in the morning. When someone asks you, "How's your morning?" they're inviting you to share a bit about your day. Your response can be as simple as, "Good, thanks," or more detailed, sharing a particular event or feeling, such as, "Pretty busy. I've had back-to-back meetings." It's also a perfect opportunity to reciprocate the question by asking, "And how's your morning?" showing interest in the asker's well-being. Understanding and using phrases like, "How's your morning?" can be very beneficial in English-speaking countries, where casual greetings play a significant role in daily interactions. It reflects a person's interest in the day-to-day aspects of someone's life and can make conversations more personal and engaging. It's also a reflection of the culture's value on politeness and social connections. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of "How's your morning?" Remember, language is not just about words. It's about connecting with people, sharing experiences, and building relationships. So next time you have the chance, use this phrase to start your conversations in the morning. It might just make someone's day a bit brighter. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language in our upcoming videos.